Hello, welcome to my thank you for watching the video, and I hope everybody is killing the money, is making those money out there, or for one still getting the paperwork together. I hope that the wheel are moving, and then yeah, just saying it there, it take a little bit of time, but eventually you get all your licensing, and next thing you know, you're on the road and making that money. So this is how you can get your business license in your city. So the reason being, as a bus truck company, you don't really need it because I mean, so far the people that we've been working for, none of them ask us our business license. As long you got the MC and the duty, they're fine in the insurance. But it's always good to have it for to be identified as a local business. And that's gonna be indie because soon I'm gonna be talking how you can build your business credit. So that's a must to have. So the business license in my city, I paid $90 for my handwriting shop, but it can be different because I got two employees. So the amount you pay is based on how many employees you have, full time and part time. So this is how it look like, and usually when you go in the restaurant and stuff, they all got this. So this is, I go to Google, you put city of my city's Cartersville business license application. So, or if your city is a city of box truck business license application, or city of Oklahoma, or I'm just making it up. So just put your city name here, put business license application. So usually the legal zone will come, but they make you pay. It's not extra so for the service. But go to your city. When you see your city website, that's where you go. Like here, it's the cityofcartersville.org. So I go on that anytime. When you get there, so here I got lucky. It take me on the to the form directly. So what you can do here, you can print it. Print this form. It's 10 page. Fill it up. Whatever apply to you, because some of those page don't apply to your business. You know, don't worry about those. Leave them blank. When you get there, they're gonna cross it. So fill it up and then take it to the city hall. There is a part that gotta be notarized. Most of the city hall they can notarize it on the spot, and you pay the money. You can pay either by cash or check, or if you pay by card, I think there is a fee. So here are the basic information on your company and you. And this is affiliate that you certify that you are a citizen or legal resident. So that's where you tell them how many employees you got. More than 10 employee, sometimes that doesn't apply to me. So this is to tell you the fee. If it's after July 1st, it's alphabet. If it's now, like I went the other day, I want to do for our business. So since it's October, the lady told me I pay $90, but it's going to be for if we're gonna be good for the end of the year and the whole year of 2021. So that's a good deal. It's like you're getting it from October to December at three. So, but if you do July and August, they will take you $45. So then checklist. Then you gotta give the address. It doesn't matter if your checklist for operator. So there you read this. That's for information. So this is those the inspection that you gotta get done, and the number. So basically, if it is a business like my business, the first time that I went to get my license, I had to get the building inspection inspector. I had to get the fire department to come. I had to get the water department to come, and all three I have had to fill up those forms. But I believe, to my knowledge, if it's a home-based business, you don't have to do this step. So you don't have to do this step at all. This part, You don't have to have an inspection done if your LLC address is in your home. It's a home-based business. But if it is a business, like in my case, I want to do my LLC in Inspired as my hair braiding shop. So my hair braiding shop address gonna have two LLC now. So in that case, they told me the other day that I still have to get the fire department to come check, but the others didn't need to come because they done that. They need to do it one time, but the fire department had to come. So those are checklists that you gotta go through. If it's, let's say your business is new, you rent a space for it, an office. So those are the things you gotta make sure you have it in place and they're working to not fail the inspection. Then I think that's the last page. So they signed the part that the inspector got to sign, they'll sign that. And they give me, this is the information of those that I got to fill out. So they will let me know this apply to others. Uh, for none of my business that I did for now, none of them apply to those apply to it. So basically, they will let you know which one apply to you. So this you fill up only when you have a business address outside your home where you live. So that's the form, but form depend from one city to another one. So this is another city close to me, Cobb County. The business license, this is how it look like. Ours is 10 page, but theirs is like 6 page. But they all ask the same name, location, information, you know. You have to certify that you are a US citizen. That's you see that same form here. That gotta be notarized in front of them. They do the notarization there too. So this is about how many employee you got. So this is if you have 11 or more. We are the same form. So and this is for another form. Attention to what? Owner or rental or lease real property. Okay. So that gotta be, yeah. So they got 6 forms. So your city, it might be different than mine. So just go, but the main thing, you either go to your city hall and ask for application for business license, or you go to online and print the form and take it to them. So up to you. That's how you get your business license. So when you pass all the tests, sorry, when you pass you get all the inspection done for business address, you bring it to the city hall. But if it's a home business, like we used to have a home business for cleaning and stuff like that, for that one, I didn't get the inspection. So basically, I got the license on my first trip. They give it to me. I fill it up on the spot, and I pay the fee. Then they give me the license right there on the spot because we registered that business as a home-based business. It got the address, the mailing, and address of the business was our home. So this is how the business license should look. That's the one for Georgia. Again, your state it might be different. So it say you gotta display it. So if it's a home-based business, so just display it on somewhere the office that you use. It's see your address, the name of the company, the type of business, the license number, or and stuff like that. All right, that was all I had to share. So again, invite your friends, all the people that are hustler that want to learn about that as some business opportunity. Invite them to the group because the more we are, and we learn and make more money. And please share any tips you got, or if you want any information. Like I always say, I like researching. If you want to find out about something that I haven't covered in the group, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to research about it and shoot a video about it. Or, you know. All right, thank you. That was all for today.